over where ShockHat734 is. Before we actually get into the video though, ShockHat, that is you right there. Hello there, ShockHat, how are you doing? I am doing great, thanks. Just been doing Kirby videos. Guys, who is that person outside? Oh, great, not him again. I hate Super Monkey Ball! Evil Matthew Stewart, what are you doing here? Well, ShockHat, you have some guests, and I hate guests. Almost as much as I hate Super Monkey Ball. Relax, man, they're not here for long. I do not care. Well, we'll take you on then, Evil Matthew Stewart.